Hey, hi, hello, namaskara. Happy Sunday. This is Nikhilesh Verma from JLN Enterprises. Today we're going to talk about a hybrid vehicle and how it is done. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಹಳೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೋತ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. This should show how briefly it is done, like how a conversion is done. So in front of me you have an old Activa which is ripped off. So you have all the panels removed and you have the system completely ripped off. So what we're going to do is I'll quickly show what has to be done. This is your cable. So we're going to replace this particular old fuel cable with a cable which is both hybrid of a system.